Hey everyone, welcome to my Bluehost review for 2025. If you're searching for the best web hosting for your website, you're in the right place. Before we start, make sure to use my link in the description to grab the best Bluehost discount available right now. It's an exclusive deal that will save you money, so don't miss out. So, is Bluehost still worth it in 2025? Let's find out. Bluehost has been one of the most popular hosting companies for years, and it's even officially recommended by WordPress. But the question is, does Bluehost still live up to its reputation? In this Bluehost hosting review, I'll go over everything you need to know: performance, pricing, features, and support, so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Let's start with what makes Bluehost stand out. Bluehost hosting is designed to be simple, reliable, and affordable. It's perfect for beginners who want to launch a website or blog without dealing with complicated setups or coding. You can literally create your site in minutes thanks to their one-click WordPress installation. Once you sign up, you'll also get a free domain name for the first year, a free SSL certificate for security, and easy-to-use tools to manage your site. One of the reasons I really like Bluehost is how beginner-friendly it is. The dashboard and control panel are very intuitive, and everything is clearly laid out. Even if you've never built a website before, Bluehost guides you through the process step by step. Plus, since it's officially recommended by WordPress, you can trust that it's fully optimized for WordPress websites. That means faster performance, better security, and automatic updates so you don't have to worry about technical stuff. Now let's talk about performance, which is one of the most important things when choosing a web host. Bluehost has proven to be fast and reliable. Their uptime is around 99.98%, which means your website will stay online almost all the time. Page speed is also impressive, especially for a shared hosting provider. Whether you're running a personal blog or a small business website, you can expect your pages to load quickly and run smoothly. Another big advantage is customer support. Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support through live chat and phone, and their team is genuinely helpful. I've tested them multiple times, and they always respond fast with clear answers. This is something that many cheap hosting providers fail at, but Bluehost actually delivers excellent support. That's a huge plus if you're new to hosting and want someone to help when things go wrong. Now let's look at pricing. This is where Bluehost really becomes a strong option. The basic shared hosting plan starts at around $2 per month when you use my discount link in the description. That's one of the lowest prices for reliable hosting in 2025. Even with the cheapest plan, you can host one website, get free SSL, free domain, 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, and even a 3-month trial for professional email. If you need more power, there are higher tier plans like Choice Plus and Pro, which include daily backups, advanced security, and the ability to host unlimited websites. If you're building an online store or running a more complex website, Bluehost also offers dedicated WordPress and VPS hosting plans. VPS hosting gives you more resources like C, PU, and RAM, plus unmetered bandwidth. That means your site can handle higher traffic without slowing down. It's ideal for growing businesses or anyone serious about performance. Another key thing about Bluehost hosting is security. Every plan includes free SSL, which keeps your visitors' data safe. You also get daily backups, malware scanning with SiteLock, and the option to add extra layers of protection if you want. Bluehost is very focused on making sure your site stays secure and runs smoothly. They've also partnered closely with WordPress, and this is where Bluehost really shines. If you're using WordPress, Bluehost makes everything super easy. They handle all updates automatically, offer staging tools so you can preview changes before going live, and provide one-click integrations for plugins and themes. Basically, it's one of the most seamless WordPress experiences out there. That's why so many people still choose Bluehost for their WordPress websites. Now, like every hosting provider, Bluehost isn't perfect. The main downsides are that renewal prices are higher after the first term, and sometimes they try to upsell extra services during checkout. But honestly, that's pretty standard across most web hosting companies, and if you pay attention during sign-up, it's easy to avoid paying for anything extra. For the value you get, especially with my discount link, Bluehost is still one of the best web hosting options out there in 2025. So here's my verdict. If you're a beginner, small business owner, or anyone looking for reliable and affordable web hosting, Bluehost is an excellent choice. It's easy to use, it's fast, it's secure, and it's backed by great customer support. I've tested many other hosting providers over the years, but Bluehost continues to be one of my favorites for WordPress hosting. If you're ready to start your website today, don't wait. Click the link in the description right now to grab the biggest Bluehost discount available. You'll lock in the lowest price and get access to all the features we just talked about. That's it for my Bluehost review for 2025. I hope this helped you understand what makes Bluehost a solid hosting provider. If it did, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.